Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some easy and delicious walking taco casserole. So if you're ready, let's get started. We're going to begin by heating up 2 teaspoons of oil. So grab your pan, set it on medium-high heat, and allow it to heat up. Okay, once hot, we're going to add half of a small white onion. And we're going to saute for a couple minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're going to be adding 4 ounces of hatch green chiles, along with 2 Roma tomatoes. We're just going to mix it and allow it to cook for 1 minute. Okay, after the minute, we're going to be adding 2 pounds of ground beef. We're going to add 2 minced garlic cloves. And for our spices, we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Okay, so now we're just going to break down our meat and allow it to cook between 7 to 8 minutes. Alright, so after 8 minutes, our ground beef is cooked and it's ready. So at this point, you want to try it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to turn it off and get ready to make our jalapeno dip. For our jalapeno dip, we're simply going to blend together 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, 1/4 of a cup of pickled jalapeno juice, and of course, some pickled jalapenos. I'm using 10 because they're small, and of course, it's also going to depend on how spicy you want your dip. So now we're just going to blend it all together until we have a smooth dip. Alrighty, and once we have our dip, we're going to transfer it to our bowl. Alright, so once we have our ground beef and jalapeno dip, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So once we have that going on, now we're ready to put our walking taco casserole together. Now for this, you can use your favorite chips. I'm going to be using some salsa verde Tostitos, but of course, you can use the scoops, you can use Doritos, just whatever. This is your walking taco casserole, so you make it however you want. So we're going to grab our baking dish. Okay, so we're going to grab our chips, pour it on our baking dish. Okay, so just layer them. Okay, now we're going to grab our ground beef. Okay, we're going to drizzle our jalapeno dip. And of course, we're going to top it with a blend of Mexican cheese. Okay, so now we're going to be baking between 8 to 10 minutes or until our cheese melts. Alrighty, and once our cheese melts, now we can finish putting our walking taco casserole together. Alright, so I'm going to begin by drizzling some more of the jalapeno dip. And of course, you can top it with all of your favorite toppings. I'm going to be adding some lettuce, some pico de gallo with avocado, and of course, some jalapenos. Alrighty, and just like that, now we can get ready to enjoy our delicious walking taco casserole. So now we can get ready to serve. Just going to drizzle some more of the sauce. And now we can enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy, and the best part is very delicious. So if you have a gathering coming up, this is going to be the recipe that I promise you everyone is going to enjoy. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. The meat, The jalapeno dip, best combination. It's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious walking taco casserole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.